check it out, Farney. Well, he's got a little young crayfish. Where is he? The freshwater one. He wasn't in there the other day when I was back. Must have had a car, eh? Well, yeah, Farney, we're off on a bit of a trip today. Me and Civic. There you go, my son. Oh, yeah. Buzzing out at the bird crayfish. Here it is, Farney. You can see it.
How did they
Wow,
get crayfish?
Wow. Like that far now? Yeah, crazy, eh, son?
Yes.
We're off back to Narawa here. Just leaving Tukoro. We've came to pick up the bird's bike. Illegal. Yeah, check it out, Farney.
I can see his hand at the back of his helmet.
This is actually AI driving, Farney. So Farney stopped to get some gas for the brother. He's there park over there. We are on a mission was. Legal, Farney. Oh well, Farney, we're back home. We've completed some things off our list. Tonight we're just going to be doing the side skirt flip. It's on the side of the car over there, Farney. Here's just me and the brew. Getting back watching some ST. Finished our months. Another night, Farney. Illegal. Okay, Farney. Fuck, if this clamp fits, yeah. But fucking, I don't know. Hey, shout out to the brew. It's it. Legal. Man, them over there 10 peanuts one day. Legal. Legal. Damn, Farney, we fell asleep. But yeah, yesterday we ended up today we ended up getting some of these brackets. But this is gonna get folded down, eh, Farney? I gotta take it off. I'll show you the Vision 10. I'll just take it off real quick, and then you can have a look. But yeah, this is gonna come off the body and make this flap down, so it makes it look like it's sacked, eh, Farney? Yeah, shout out to the Bird Assets. hooked it up with all these tabs. I'm gonna put my red diffuser on tomorrow. And yeah, Uncle, nah, it's the same size as my bracket, eh? How about let's get it? Yeah, Uncle. It was worth a try, but nah, she's the same size. Living life, Farnate. Yeah. Hope you had a good day. Subscribe and follow for more. Legal.